When I first started barbecuing, I used to cover the whole cooking grate with briquettes, just like this, and like many probably do today. But the issue is, you only have one cooking zone, which is hot, hot, and yes, hot. So when you're cooking something with a high fat content, like some sausages, the fat drips down, everything goes a little bit crazy with uncontrolled flare-ups, and you end up with burnt sausages. A far better approach is to have all of your briquettes on one side of the barbecue, so then you have two zones, direct and indirect. So when things start to go a little bit crazy, you can move things out of the heat. The direct high temperature zone is great for cooking anything quick, like steaks, or for searing or reverse searing, and even cooking vegetables. When cooking indirect, I typically use these charcoal baskets, as it not only keeps the charcoals contained, but it's also easy to reposition throughout the cook if needed. To cook anything indirect, you need a lid on barbecue, like this Weber kettle. So when you have the lid on, the barbecue is effectively an oven, and you can cook much larger pieces of meat over longer periods of time. Having a single charcoal basket of briquettes will provide you with a large indirect cooking area. With two charcoal baskets, you could position one on either side of the barbecue with a smaller indirect cooking zone in the middle. I use this setup for larger pieces of meat like a whole chicken, as the extra briquettes allow you to reach a higher temperature. Positioning two charcoal baskets like this provides you with a much larger surface area for indirect cooking, which is ideal for roasting a spatchcock chicken. Alternatively, with the charcoal baskets in the centre of the barbecue, like this, you have a hot central direct cooking area, which is great for roasting vegetables in a pan, or even a homemade pizza on a pizza stone. Thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.